It is common knowledge that if you need money you need to spend money to make money, but how can you make money when you don't have money or money to risk? That is what a lot of people ask on Google daily, but most times the answers they get used to require they invest money, skills, or time to make more money. The other issues for most people is not actually to find money or time to invest, but being sure that they will get what they are being told, which in most cases doesn't end up as they are being told, and this is not their fault or even the fault of people who introduced it to them. However, it is time to do justice to this once and for all without holding anything back to help people who are serious and dedicated to changing their life financially. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make 5,000 Nigerian Nairas daily without investment and without you having any technical skills. You might be wondering or thinking 5,000 Naira is small, but when you multiply 5,000 for 30 days this is going to be 150,000 Naira monthly. You can even make up to 500,000 Naira monthly with this system if you are a go-getter. A lot of people are still earning less than 30,000 Naira monthly as the minimum wage, even working more than 8 hours. So 150,000 Naira monthly is a big deal to many Nigerians right now. The most interesting thing is that you are going to learn how to make money giving away things that people want and need for free, and then how you can leverage the trust to make money with ease without you having to look like selling, which many people don't like to do. Now before you start, I want you to know the resources you are going to get in this guide is worth tens of thousands, and you will get it to start making your daily minimum of 5,000 Naira for free. I will not just share with you some information and ask you to pay for the rest as people do, or give you information that you can't put to work. What you will learn here is not technical at all, and you don't need to have any advanced IT skills. You don't even need to have a computer, as you can do it with your phone. Just to let you know, this will not affect anything you are currently doing, and you can even decide to focus on it a bit by doing it part-time or full-time. The choice is yours based on how hungry you are to make money and change your life. In fact, if you take action immediately after you get this information, you can earn your first 1,000 Naira within 1 hour of doing it without spending any money. But before we get started, I want you to take the following actions so I can be sure you are a serious person who doesn't stop a feed to gold. 1. Click on the subscribe button below this video to ensure you get more important content I will be uploading in the future. 2. Like this video to show how excited you are to get this life-changing information. 3. Comment on how interesting you find this and willing to take action on what you will learn. 4. Message me on WhatsApp on 081359611160 that you are ready, and I will grant you free access to the training with everything you need to start making money without any money to get started. After you message me, I will reply to you with an invitation to the main video, and you will access my special support group on WhatsApp to get started. So what are you waiting for? Carry out the steps and see how you can start making money without investing any money for free.